Found an SCB file on your Samsung device? That's a Samsung Contacts backup, your entire address book saved in one compact file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to restore those contacts in just a few steps. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a SCB file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. An SCB file is a Samsung Contacts backup file created by Samsung mobile devices. It stores exported contact data, including names, phone numbers, and email addresses, used to restore contacts to a Samsung device via the native Contacts app. SCB files are proprietary to Samsung's contact management system. Structured in a vCard-compatible or binary format, they are designed for import and export through Samsung's Contacts app or Kies desktop software, preserving all standard contact fields. We suggest testing the SCB file first with the utility Samsung Kies from Samsung Electronics. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows can't expand backup archives, so specialized backup software must be used for review. To ensure success, right-click the SCB file and select Open With. Run the file through Samsung Kies if it is installed. If it's not present, choose another application. Sometimes older programs work best. If the SCB file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The solution is often simpler than you think. If the SCB file is still stubborn, look for one of these 3 basic errors. Use this quick reference list to check them now. First, restore via Samsung Contacts app. Transfer the SCB file to your Samsung device and open the Contacts app. Navigate to Settings, then Import/Export. Then import from storage and select the SCB file. This should restore all backed up contacts directly to your Samsung phone or tablet. Next, use Samsung Kies or Smart Switch. If direct import fails, connect your Samsung device to a PC and use Samsung Kies or Smart Switch. These applications recognize SCB backup files and can restore contacts to the connected device. Ensure you are running the most current version of either app. Finally, rename and import as vCard. If both methods fail, try renaming the SCB file extension to VCF and importing it as a standard vCard file. Open the rename file with your Contacts app or Google Contacts. Some SCB files are vCard-compatible and will open successfully after renaming. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.